Hello everyone, and today I'm going to show you how to fix a chain. So these are the tools that you actually need. You have to have a chain breaker tool, or how do you call this? A chain breaker, yeah, chain link. And then you need some kind of a hook, anything you have it at home, or you have this specific one to hook up. And I'm going to show you how to do it. And also you need this chain. Sorry, I don't know what's the name, but you have to use this, right? So very easy. We have to find the link. Find the link, find the master link. Where's the master link? What the hell? Oh, this bike don't have master link. It's here, okay? This is a master link. So every bike, every chain has a master link. Otherwise, how are you going to connect this link, right? So now with this handy hook, you hook onto one of this. This is the master link here. So you hook this here, and you're going to hook it here. But you need to slacken this chain. So what you need to do is, okay, look over here. This one, you push, you push down. You then you hook. Okay. You need to push down. You can do this from the top also can. Okay. Pull. Just hook it. Okay. So you make a slack like that. Okay, hands dirty. So now the link is over here. You need to squeeze the master link. So to squeeze, you need to open up. So basically pry open and then you just have to here. Oh, actually you have to squeeze it right here to pull. Okay, you hear the click sound, means it's done already, right? So now the link is out already. So you have one half of this, the other half of this. Okay, so now the chain is broken, and get a container like this and drop this inside, right? And then you drop the remaining of the link into this container, right? Okay, let go of this. So now you don't need this anymore. Pull the chain down. That's all. Okay, so now the chain is here. Right. Now here is the problem. I have a broken off a link here. You can see it. Wow, so lucky I can actually see the broken link here. Okay, I don't know whether you can see from the camera, but there's a crack here and there's a crack here. So this link, I point to you. This crack is here and here, broken already. So I need to replace this. Okay, so how to replace this? I'll show you. Okay, take a mark here first. Okay, so now here comes this tool. Right, this is the link that I want to take out. This is the one. So you have to. So I'm going to break this pin here and this pin here. Basically, when you break these two pins, right, this broken piece will be out of the way lah. Then you have to put in a new replacement, which I'm going to show you shortly. So these two, you just have to turn and hold on to it. So what happened is as you tighten it, this pin here on the tool will push this pin on the chain come out from this side, and you get a nice little piak sound. Turn. Yeah. See, piak. Piak sound means it's done already. It's out already. Just keep on turning. Keep turning until that pin comes out fully from the chain. Right, it's already. So this is the pin. Right, no? Okay, yeah. Sure. So you cannot use this pin anymore. You have to throw it away. Okay. Now you see, okay. This one is a broken one. This is the broken one. So I have one more pin to go to fully remove this. Okay, we are going to do it one more time. If you have missed the video, I'm going to repeat twice because I have to keep turning. Yes, then you have the piaks. So, and push the pin out entirely. Okay, come out already, huh? So now you unwind it. And basically, you have the other end of the chain. Then this is the broken. This side is okay. It's this side that's broken. I'm not sure you can see it, but there's a hairline crack here. It's gone already. Basically, if you bend it, this thing is broken already. And then there's a hairline crack right here, bottom here. I can feel it with my fingernail as I run over it. Yeah, it's cracked already. This one is worse. So it's really broken off already. So throw this away. And you're gonna have a pack of replacement master link. I have here, there's a lot of master link here. Let's have some magic. The magic is wow. Suddenly I have a pack of new chain. So let's use the new chain. And this is the master link that you have here. Actually, I can use this master link on this, but since forget it, just use a new chain now. Okay. So the problem with the new chain is you need to measure the length, right? So you need to have the same number of links as what you have on your bike. So very easy, you just have to count. Otherwise, you just have to lay on the floor and then match it to the length. Then likewise break the remaining link off and you get the correct length of new chain against your old chain, right? Simple, right? Okay, I'm going to cut short this video so that I don't have to make you watch and wait for the result as I measure, because it takes a while. Okay, this one is the new chain, this is the old chain. So now I have to align same hole, same height, same length. So you notice that that's a good thing about this that I have a new chain. because if you align this, you notice that as you come along the length until here, you notice it start to this link start to shift a bit to the what I mean is getting longer and longer already. So you see the hole here and this new change hole, it doesn't align anymore. This is like slightly towards this direction, like longer a bit lah. So this is a new chain. If you look back, see I started at the same alignment, same hole. See, but as I stretch it to this end there, so what it means this old chain has been stretched already. So anyway, time to replace it. A good replacement time will be now. So it's because there's a little bit of stretch already. So we're going to change it to the new change. Okay, so we have the entire chain layout. Okay, this is the broken part that I have removed it, so I have to take into account this extra length. Then you have to follow right until here. So see, this is where the old chain ends. This is the new chain. You still have an excess of a couple of links, so we are going to break the chain here. Okay, this pin we're going to break it off so that we don't want this stretch anymore. We don't need this excess. Okay, we shall do it. Okay, so this is the part that we need to break off. This is the excess. So same thing. There's a turn. So the job is done. Okay. Now we are back at the bike. Okay, route it to the bike like this. So we're going to join this with the master link. Right. With the same tool again, hook this end and hook the other end. Now with the new master link from the new chain, we are going to join the ends together with this tool again. Okay, So this one has a direction. So it says the arrow points this way. Okay, so you follow this chain. So this one has to follow this arrow. It's going to turn around. So it's going to turn around, and we're going to join it this way. So very important, you have to make sure that they are in the grooves. Then you have to stretch it open. Link it up. Okay, so now it's good already. So with the correct chain length, right, you will not get that slack here, assuming everything else is adjusted properly. But so here is the thing, you have to clean up all this dirt here to prevent your chain from wearing off prematurely, right? So yeah, it will wear off eventually, but trying to keep a good habit of clean gears and derailleur here will prolong the lifespan of the chain.